So I did something. I bought another car.
I focus on shit to forget the things that I thought that you said. You got me so deep, you embedded. I'm rotting away like you did. I focus on shit to forget.
That's dope, yeah. Oh, goddamn, you left them black too, good.
Yeah, man.
She looks dope.
The things that I thought that you said. You got me so deep, you embedded. I'm rotting away like you did. I focus on shit to forget the things that I thought that you said. You got me so deep, you embedded.
Mr. Bodywork Man. What do you think? Yeah. She's a hoopty. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
I focus on shit to forget the things that I thought that you said. You got
Look at this big thug.
See this? See this tensioner?
No way. That's bad.
It's fucking broken, like the mount here is like, oh, I see it. I'm like, fuck that.
Does it work?
Of course it does. If it works, it does.
And that's all that matters. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's like what?
Got that gimbal on gimbal action.
Oh, what? Yeah. Wait, so I gotta unzip.
Oh god, you just took a photo of me.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to do that.
Oh, it's okay. I don't have many good photos. Maybe that's a good one.
There we go. Here.
Whoa.
We'll have a gimbal
Gimbal,
off.
gimbal battle.
Oh, I got the flash out.
Oh shit. How do I do that? I don't know how to do that. I don't use flash. Oh! You got me!
I didn't plan to.
Yo, feel it.
Oh, we gotta play guitar and oh yeah.
My pants are falling.
What's happening?
We go take rollers.
Yes.
I got gimbal.
Hell yeah.
We go take rollers.
Here you go.
Oh, yo, my wheel thanks.
You took the wrong one. Here, you forgot your steering wheel.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. I have no car! Which car am I in? This one! Joke's on you guys. I can make it look like I'm messing around with something on my camera, but I'm actually filming you guys.
That's okay.
And you're all like awkwardly staring at the camera. Hello. We're putting the bumper in your car.
That's why you're here.
Yeah.
That is why you're here.
I think that's why he dragged you.
I didn't tell you you had to come.
I actually wasn't gonna come, and I was like, Wow, I feel so dumb.
This thing just keeps whipping around. You seen it fucking? I was like filming, and then all of a sudden it was like, ooh, and it like whipped at me, and I was like, I had to close this because it kept catching too much wind, and it just kept fucking doing a 180 and looking at me. I was like, get out of here. I like slapped it back at one point. I was like, get out of here. Smack that bitch. Fuck you, bitch. You got the mask on, surgeon over here. Big surgeon.
At the edge, so that like everybody just.
Hello?
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 It's Dadwick.
Hello? Dadwick! Oh, we used to fucking scream in his mic all the time.
I'm at my grandma's right now.
Dadwick!
Who's all there?
Dadwick!
Dadwick!
Dadwick's here. Dude, Dadwick's here.
That's it.
Yo, you gotta come. Dadwick's here, dude.
Oh yeah.
The Alaskan dad's here, bro.
Go to the clubhouse.
Yes, sir.
What? Why are you calling then? Somebody play the Indiana Jones theme song.
I don't have my phone. I don't have my phone.
Wait, so
Sorry,
what are
what?
you doing right now?
I said maybe in an hour I'll drop by.
He'll drive by in the U-Haul.
Indiana Jones.
Wait, what am I doing?
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm moving.
You're moving what?
I'm moving.
Song?
Yeah.
How much shit
Hold
are
on,
you
hold
moving
on.
right now?
Chad, we have something for you.
They're fishing by the goose?
Hi, Chad.
Also, Alex just turned the
Okay, come to the clubhouse later.
Obviously, I clicked on it.
Okay.